What up, YouTube? I'm pretty sure I've showed you how to mix this Bondo up before, but just take a glob of it and you take some of this hardener. Doesn't take much. Put a little bit of hardener in it. Then you mix it up. Till the color changes. Just like that. Okay, let's put it on. Okay. I don't know if you can see, right there we got a nice dent. So we'll take some of the filler. Try to fill in those dents. Okay, that should be good. That should fill that hole for sure. Pull off all this other stuff. Let that dry. We also have a couple holes here. One there. The light helps you see where all the little holes are when you get the shadows in it. Here's one. Okay. I think that's it. I think those are the only dents on this one, as far as I can see. Little one right there. Alright, we'll let that dry. Come back and sand it, smooth it all out. Alright, let's let this Honda tank dry. And let's do the Yamaha tank. This side's not bad. We just gotta fill this in. But this side has a huge dent on it. The other dents. Shadows help you. Little dent here. Okay. Let's fill it. Okay. Make sure we get total coverage. I'll sand it down. side over here is a lot easier. I'll show you. Because it's not all dented up. Just put it in, slide it. This side had a fat dent, so we had to fill that out. Try to take off all the extra. Alright, we'll let this one dry, and we'll come back and sand them, see what we're working with. Alright, so what I'm doing, taking the sandpaper, and I'm just going to sand all this Bondo we just put on. And it takes forever, but just keep doing this. Right? Keep flattening it out. I'll come back after I sand it and show you what it looks like. I'm just gonna keep sanding. Look, it's getting to where we almost got that dent out of there. Looking a lot better. No more fat dent there. Look how much Bondo that was though. That's how big that dent was. Now I'm gonna work on that part. Come back when it's done. Okay. Honda tank we got fixed. Have fat holes there. Little ones here. A couple here. And then here. But we're looking brand new now. So one down, let's go to the YAMAHA tank. I'm gonna sand this right here. Okay. Knock all that big stuff off. See that? Starting to already get that rough shape. This is where that fat dent was. We're just gonna keep smoothing it down. I'll come back when I worked it a little bit. Okay, here we go with the YAMAHA tank. We removed those emblems. We fixed that fat dent that was on that side. This one's looking really good. And we got the Honda one right here. We fixed those dents. There's a bunch of dents here. That one, a couple here on the side, a couple there. But when you look over now, we're straight. So the tanks are ready to be painted. Stick with us. About to have 2 bikes done.